heard that the city was exploding today. Yeah, it must be exploding today. We should probably watch the TV because there's always the news on the TV, so we know what can happen. Here, we should watch the news right now. TV, reporting live on news. News! So, Sarah, we heard that the city is exploding today. Well, yes. Well, how about you tell us about it? Yes, the city is exploding today, and nobody knows why, but it's exploding, so you should hide. TV turning off. Whoa, we should make a bunker so we don't get hurt by the big explosion. Yeah, that's a good idea. So they built a bunker all day. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's get in this bunker. Okay, I will be in there soon. I'm getting down there. Ah, my leg! My leg got hurt, but luckily, dude, your leg got hurt. I know! I was just saying about that. Boom! Boom! Phew. I think the city exploded. We must stay in here for the rest of our lives. I'm so sad. Luckily, I brought some food. Nice, man. Bananas! Dun, 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 dun. Well,